Hello everyone, now we shall continue with our Act 1, Scene 2, lines 60. Now we were discussing about Portia's opinion about the different suitors. Now Nerissa says, how say you by the French lord, Monsieur Le Bon? Then this is the third suitor, Monsieur Le Bon. So Portia says, God made him and therefore let him pass for a man. That means, she says, because he was made by God, we should call him a man. Otherwise, he is not even fit enough to be called a man. In truth, I know it is a sin to be a mocker. But she says, I know it is a sin to make fun of anyone. But I can't help it. Why? He had a horse better than the Neapolitans. Means she says, of course, he has a horse which is better than the Neapolitans' horse. A better bad habit of frowning than the Count Palatine. And he's worse than the Count Palatine because he's frowning even more than the County Palatine. He is every man in no man, means he has got the different qualities of different men. So actually he is no man, he is every man in no man. He's got a quality of every other person. He has no identity of his own. If a throstle sing, he falls straight a capering. See, he's so funny that if a bird sings, he starts dancing. He will fence with his shadow and is so weird that he can fight with his own shadow. If I should marry him, I should marry 20 husbands. She says, if I would be marrying him, it means I would be marrying 20 husbands. Means what? That because he has got no quality of his own, so actually he's a combination of different people, so no identity of his own. And if she would be marrying him, she would be marrying 20 husbands. If he would despise me, I would forgive him. She says, if he does not like me, I can forgive him. For if he loves me to madness, I should never requite him. But God forbid, if he loves Portia, if he falls in love with Portia and he's mad about her, then it would be very difficult for Portia to return his love. What say you then to Falconbridge, the young Baron of England? He says, okay, then what is your opinion about the young Baron of England? You know, I say nothing to him, for he understands not me nor I him. Now Portia says, with him it's difficult for me to communicate because neither do I understand him nor does he understand. Why? What is the reason behind that? That is the lack of communication between them because of the different languages. He had neither Latin, French nor Italian. That is the Baron of England. He does not know either Latin or French or Italian, which Portia speaks. And you will come into the court and swear that I have a poor penny worth in English. He says, and I'm sure that you would be prepared to swear that I do not have the least idea of English. Portia's English is very poor, and this Baron of England, he doesn't know Latin, French or Italian. So how will they communicate? He is a proper man's picture. Means he is very handsome looking man, that there is no doubt about it. But who can converse with a dumb show? But what is the point of marrying a person with whom you cannot communicate? It's like marrying a dumb show. You are marrying a very handsome person, but you are not able to communicate at all with him. How oddly he is suited. And then she does not even like his sense of dressing. He says he dresses himself so strangely. I think he bought his doublet in Italy. She says, I think he bought his jacket, that is the coat he's wearing, from Italy. His round hose in France. Round hose is the trousers, the pants. That is in France, he has brought it. His bonnet in Germany means his hat in Germany. And his behavior everywhere. And he has learnt his different manners from the different countries he has visited. What think you of the Scottish lord, his neighbour? Then she says that what is your opinion of the Scottish lord, his neighbour? Now, what is the reference to his neighbour? Because Scotland is the neighbour of England. That is why the Scottish lord is said to be the neighbour of the English battle. That he had a neighbourly charity in him. He says, I can only say that he is a very generous and a kind-hearted person. Why Portia thinks so? For he borrowed a box of the ear of the Englishman, because when the Englishman gave him a punch on his ear, he swore he would pay him again when he was able. The Scottish lord did not return his punch. He did not hit him back, but said that he would pay him back only when he was able to do so. And I think the Frenchman would become his surety and sealed under for another. He says that, and I am sure that the French lord would give his guarantee that the Scottish lord would repay the English baron the punch that he had given him. And here you must understand that this is actually a reference to the quarrel between the English and the Scottish. Now there was a quarrel going on between the England and Scotland in which French were supporting Scotland. That is why this reference of English, French lord and the Scottish lord. How like you, the young German, the Duke of Saxony's nephew? She says, and what is your opinion about the Duke of Saxony's nephew? Very wildly in the morning. Now, Portia has a very poor opinion of him because he's a drunkard. He behaves very badly in the morning when he is sober. Means when he is not drunk, his behavior is so bad. And most wildly in the afternoon when he is drunk. He behaves very badly when he is drunk. That means when he is not drunk, he is bad. When he is drunk in the afternoon, he is very bad. And when he is best, he is a little worse than a man. And when he is at his best, he is little better than a man. When he is at the worst, he is little better than a beast. मीन्स जब वो अपने बेस्ट बिहेवियर पर होता है तो वो इंसान जस्ट कहलाने के लायक होता है. ही इज लिटिल बेटर देन अ मैन. एंड व्हेन ही इज एट हिज वर्स्ट बिहेवियर, दैट मीन्स व्हेन ही इज कंप्लीटली ड्रंक, then he is no more than a beast. And the worst fall that ever fell, I hope I shall make shift to go without him. That is, he says that even if the worst is going to happen, Portia is saying that even in the worst case, I think I shall manage without him. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video. Bye.